So, nagkuhan mi sa among batch kung sa among ihatag for high school just to give back because just like Jade said and what Divine shared and Mary shared na dako kayo influence ang high school sa among kinabuhi. So, una akong gusto kuan bench. Very memorable kayo akong bench under the Kalisa tree.
Sa quotation.
For personal
Katol na ba ng talisay?
So you know, you can mix manguyab and education. But since I'm a mom now, I'm with Mary Rose, no. But anyway, so kato kuan ang bench yung tamong ihatag. Kanya kuan man lain mapudog usara ang bench nga mihatag nagtulo color, di ba? So nagunahon na mi basol. Bukat po dito. So nagunahon na mi kuan el projector na lang para napod mo'y magamit sa inyong kuan pagtuon ana ba.
So we can see Arman, you are making an AV room. So AV room. So probably on screen na lang yung paano we have this one. So with all this is convertible from 120 to 220. So we bought this from Chicago.
Napay nakabutang diri.
Batch 86.
So from batch 86 ni pagpa-engrave nako kuan ingon tong babae sa tindahan nga $3 kuno per word. So yung ko pwede sumpayo na lang nako name donated by ABCHS class. Siya masugot. So you can tell, gikan yung ko sa ABC kay kuan man inot man. Ay, sige good ko dito sa kung ano, mag-English class may mo excuse ko kaya ato ko dito mag-snack. Sa kantin ni Ma'am Dulce, kasapan din ko ni Ma'am Preciado.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Andres Bonifacio College, batch 86. You are very much welcome. I hope this will not be the first, but the beginning of your visit to a new ABC.
Yay.
In behalf of the Andres Bonifacio College administration, I would like to thank every one of you for this beautiful and memorable projector. This can help us a lot. Thank you and thank you.
Alright.
Welcome again to Andres Bonifacio College for another donation na.
Padayon lagi siguro itong bench, ma'am. Oh, pero lagi ibutang ang lettering lagi. D or E na siguro. Then a heart, then a arrow. So anyway.
Okay, before we proceed to the closing remarks, let's have Nonali Amato. She'll just gonna give us a short activity. Trivia for the seniors.
Okay. Nobody's making use of the podium, the beautiful podium. So I'll just stay here. Okay, good afternoon once again. Doon nami trivia questions nga mong gigama. So I had gitimbrihan man ako to si Sir Manrique nga ingnon, were you informed that we will be throwing questions about our batch or the year that we the year nga nag-high school me? Okay, so there will be prizes at stake. So lumba og isa kamot tawag ha dili ako ha. Mubasar ako. Okay, our first question.
Wala mo ang 86 mo rin sa
Wala mo na nga ang mga gwapa o gwapo sa luyo. Ay, makanugan. Okay, first question. Who was the president of Andres Bonifacio College in the year 1986? We have choices. A. Ernesto Amatong. B. Armand Amatong. C. Isagani Amatong. Okay. C. Any other answer? Isagani Amatong, you meant? I'm sorry.
Two choices.
Yeah. Yeah. You give the microphone.
Ernesto Amatong.
Okay. Here's your prize. Congratulations. Okay, entertainment. Kami nga batch, mahiligon kayo sa una, manayang,